Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ivan I from Changsha Tianchuang Powder Technology Company Limited. Today I would like to introduce this machine, which is called 2M500 liter of raw bone meal that we designed and produced according to the customer's requirements. Please kindly to follow me to check the details as follows. This grinding drum is made of 304 stainless steel with PU nano. PU nano is a kind of non-metallic material which prevents metal impurity contamination from grinding materials. This grinding pan is equipped with water cooling jacket. Let us see here. This is pipe. This is pipe for the cooling water jacket. When you are grinding materials that may be needed to high temperature inside the pan in order to reduce its high temperature. Before starting the bone meal with water cooling jacket, connect the water pipe, open the water pipe switch here, and confirm if there is enough circulating flow of water inside the jacket for cooling and reducing grinding temperature. And then start the switch for bone meal. This is a frequency controller. There is a RS485 interface inside the inverter. This interface can be connected with computer for reading grinding data. This is emergency stop switch with safety cover here. It helps you to protect the emergency stop switch. You can see the whole machine is coated with blue finish. It brings you perfect feeling of blue and light. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in our machine, please send us email or visit our website for details.
Insert technology makes foreign trading easier.